Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2012-2013 Panini Rookie Anthology box break number 30.
Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton.
Starting on the box is any 190608280. That's any 190608280. So here we go. Best of luck, everybody. Pack 1. We have Elite Rookies for the Capitals of Chai Genoway, 548 out of 999. Even though he's in a Minnesota jersey, the Capitals are on the card, so that goes to Washington. We have a nice hit for the Blues, a stick piece from Luxury Suite of Brett Hull. Pack 2. We have all the Kings men patch cards, 6 out of 10 of Anze Kopitar for the Kings. Nice hit for the Kings, nice 3-color patch. Anze Kopitar. Pack 3. Cup contenders hit for the Capitals of Nicholas Backstrom, 734 out of 999. Pack 4. Game worn jersey card for the Penguins of Thomas Vokoun. Pack 5. Harkinetter's hit, 757 and 999 for the Flyers of Claude Giroux. Pack 6. Got all the Kings men jersey card of Dwight King for the Kings. Pack 7. Got Elite Rookies of Andrew Georgie, 450 out of 999 for the Blue Jackets. Got a Great Outdoors hit for the Penguins of Evgeny Malkin, 134 to 500. We have a Rookie Treasures dual jersey and auto for the Stars of Riley Smith, 287 out of 499. We got a die-cut Aspirations Elite Rookies of Jeremy Walsh, 79 out of 100 for the Hurricanes. Yeah, pack 10. Got an awesome hit here. It's a scratching the surface auto card of Chris Kreider for the Rangers. Nice hit for the Rangers. And then the Prism Pack. Got a base of Andrew Ladd for the Jets. Got an auto card of Thomas Kubalik for the Blue Jackets. Actually, that's for the Jets, sorry. Jets are on the card. Even though he's in a Blue Jackets jersey. And to finish off, we have a rookie card for the Sabres of Travis Turnbull. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.